Most small business owners think, I'm too small to be hacked. But that's exactly why hackers target you. Not because you're big, but because you're easier to break into. When people hear about cyber attacks, they usually think of big companies getting hacked. Banks, tech companies, large organizations. But the truth is, small businesses are actually one of the biggest targets for cyber criminals today. And the reason is simple. Small businesses often have weaker security, less protection, less awareness, and fewer systems in place. Hackers know this, so instead of going after one big company with strong defenses, they go after hundreds of small businesses that are easier to break into. Now let's talk about how these attacks actually happen. One of the most common ways is through employee mistakes. It only takes one person to click the wrong link. For example, an employee might receive an email that looks like it's from a supplier or a bank. The message may say something urgent like, your payment failed, verify your account, or invoice attached. Once they click the link or open the attachment, they may unknowingly give access to attackers. And just like that, the entire business is exposed. Another major risk is weak passwords. Many small businesses use simple passwords or reuse the same password across multiple accounts. This makes it very easy for attackers to gain access using automated tools. Once inside, they can access sensitive data, customer information, or even financial systems. Then there's payment fraud. Hackers sometimes gain access to business emails and monitor conversations. They wait for the right moment, like when a payment is about to be made. Then they send a fake message pretending to be a supplier, asking for the payment to be sent to a different account. Because the email looks real, many businesses don't question it. And by the time they realize what happened, the money is gone. Another overlooked risk is customer data. If your business collects customer information, emails, phone numbers, payment details, that data becomes a target. A data breach doesn't just cause financial loss, it damages trust. Customers may stop doing business with you if they feel their information is not safe, and rebuilding that trust can take a long time. Now let's talk about something many businesses ignore: basic security habits. Things like not updating systems, using unsecured Wi-Fi, not backing up data, giving too many people access to sensitive systems. These small gaps create opportunities for attackers, and most of the time, businesses don't even realize they're vulnerable until something goes wrong. But here's the good news. You don't need expensive tools or a large IT team to protect your business. Simple steps can make a huge difference. For example, using strong, unique passwords, enabling two-factor authentication, training employees to recognize suspicious emails, securing payment processes, regularly backing up important data. These actions alone can prevent many common attacks. The problem is, most business owners don't know where to start, and that's where mistakes happen. That's exactly why I created a simple guide called Cybersecurity for Small Business Owners. It breaks everything down in a practical way, no technical confusion. Inside, you'll learn why small businesses are easy targets, the most common attacks to watch out for, how employee mistakes lead to breaches, and simple steps to protect your money, customers, and reputation. If you run a business and want to stay protected, you can check it out in the description or check my bio to visit my store. At the end of the day, hackers are not just targeting big companies anymore. They're targeting businesses that are unprepared. So the question is not, will this happen? It's, are you ready if it does?